Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My computers have each own config files. They're similar but not the same. I need a solution to manage and organize my dot files and config files. What you saw in the beginning of the video is I'm moving my config files into a directory and create symlink back to the original location of the config file. I know there's a tool like GNU Store, which is great for managing symlinks to organize and maintain sets of files in a directory. My setup offers more flexibility and more control, allow me to move all the config files and dot files to a central location, update a journal, create symlinks back to the original locations. And I would love to know how you manage and organize your config files and dot files. So please let me know in the comments.